Feel another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
Hey, I'm gonna get straight into this video. This is the Outre Melted Amanda wig in the color 1B. This comes as a side part only. It's not a full lace front, and it does come with a strap. And I'm applying foundation to the lace so that it matches my head better. You could also use lace tint. But as soon as I put this wig on my head, I was already in love with it. It looks so good. The hairline looks amazing. They have definitely improved the quality of these synthetic wigs. And I was feeling myself a little bit when I tried it to the other side, which might be something I have to try. We'll see. Anyways, so I'm starting off by making my parting curve instead of straight because I just prefer it that way. You can always leave it as a straight parting if that's what you choose, but I chose to do it as a curve. And it was so quick, simple, and easy. As you can see, like, this is like real time tutorial that I'm showing you guys. It's just sped up a little bit, but everything you see, I didn't take any shortcuts behind the scenes. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs off so that this wig can fit nicely on my head. I cut this ear tabs off, and you see there's a lot of hair that came off with it, but now it fits nicely on my head, and I'm doing the same to the other side. So to tell you guys a little bit more about the hair, yes, by the title, this wig was $35. Can you believe that? And I got it on Amazon. That's a plus plus. So I got this wig within 2 days by Amazon Prime. So I used the Evan lace spray to get this wig to stay on my head, and I just spray that all around my perimeter before I actually cut the lace. And then I go ahead and take my blow dryer and just dry it out a little bit until it's sticky, tacky, and until it feels like when you pull it, it won't actually come off. So a little bit more about this wig. I wore this wig for 2 weeks straight, and I will have to say that after a week it started to get matted really badly, and it was very hard to actually last with that second week. So this wig should only be used for special occasions like one-time events, weddings, baby showers, or if you just want to stay in the house and look good. But it cannot be used like on a long term. As you can see here, the lace is looking so good. It's melted straight into my skin. I will say that Outre has done a great job with improving their synthetic wigs overall, with their lace to the hairline, to the baby hairs, and to the styles. I feel like they should be making a lot more shorter hairstyles, just because longer synthetic hair gets matted very quickly and very easily, and it just be giving all sorts of problems. But I'm loving this unit, and I definitely would recommend to purchase, and I definitely will be buying again whenever I need this wig for a last minute thing, especially because I can get it on Amazon within 2 days. So that's even better. So as you can see here, this wig unit doesn't really need baby hairs, but of course, for me, I wanted to add some baby hairs because I just love baby hairs, and I'ma always love baby hairs. No matter if they get out of style or not, I'ma always have some baby hairs. So I just cut a little bit of the baby hairs off, and I use my flat iron to curl it a little bit just so that it can give me that swoop look, you know, that swoop. I also have a baby hair tutorial video on my channel from a couple years back, but it's pretty much the same process. So I will say this though, that this camera is giving this unit a lot of justice, because this is what it looks like in person when I installed the unit. So it's all how it would look. And now I'm using my hot comb on the lowest heat setting just to get rid of that bump that you see in the back there, and just to make the parting area look a little bit more flat. As always, guys, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Your support goes a long way, and I hope that I see you on the next video. Please comment down below in the comment section and let me know, do you like this wig? Will you be buying it, or are you going to pass on this? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Hold a hand. And don't believe a lie.